All right, we're here at the park with Rodriguez and Spawn of Rodriguez again. And we're gonna play with our RC cars that we've got. We have a Rustler VXL, and then we have my new X-Maxx. And Spawn and Rodriguez does not have a car. But we have other cars.
Yay! Thank you.
We have this car. We have a good car. How much do you think that will fare against my car and
Not much.
your dad's car?
Not much.
So we also have another one. You have two cars.
This is gonna be fun.
But here's the deal. Your dad and I are going to try to destroy those. Whichever one is still surviving after your father and I go through a whole battery pack on our cars, you get to keep it.
Which is none.
If you do good at avoiding getting mushed, do you think you're good enough at driving to avoid getting mushed?
If I can practice for a minute.
No, you get no practice. Your practice has been your other cars from Walmart.
Yeah.
What's happened to those?
I lost them.
You lost them.
I didn't lose
and
them. I lost
you
the
broke
charger.
them. And yeah, so that didn't go well for you. Oh, yeah, so this is the last one.
This was the last.
All right, so we're going to set up some cameras and get started. Oh, are we just toying with you? Come here, little car. Here, it's a little more agile than we are. We have to stay over in this area, over here. Just running over everybody. Oh, all right, go get his car. Stop using your battery. Or you're gonna pick it up so it doesn't get squished.
About 5 seconds before we start coming after you.
Reverse wheelie. It's now a convertible. Oh, look! Part of her car is stuck in this one. The roof is stuck in the... All right, well, we're gonna leave it there too. Still works though after that. Oh. What? You're gonna blow out your tires?
It won't work. It's like done.
Oh! Taking out the wrong one. Bye-bye. I think that one's done. Go retrieve the body and turn your dad over. I still have part of it stuck in mine. Oh, yeah, just took off the tire.
Let's see here.
Does it still work? Hit the gas. What happened?
I put the tires. Needs to do.
Oh, both of the tires hit the steering. Oh, it still works. Wow, look at that. Made it a convertible. All right, so this thing's sort of okay. We're just gonna put the tire back on. Want to put the roof back on? It's dragging it. You haven't seen this one before, have you?
Ow!
Give it a shot. Right there. Oh, I lost the front.
Okay, let me
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Is it dead?
no.
You got it?
I think it's done now.
You doing it for good measure?
You trying to retrieve the body?
Oh, it's still connected. It's just broken.
Yeah. All right, so on to the next one, I guess. All right, now we're on to the next one. I think this one goes slower. I like it has lights. It has a target. Run! Run! You're holding it. We're gonna run over you. And reverse wheelie.
Oh no, the camera. Oh well, try it. Probably. But did we break the GoPro? Hello, GoPro. Oh, you're fine. Okay. Well, if we run out of little cars, do we do a demolition derby between ours? So, well, look what kind of car it is, though. It's a Crad Dream off-road. Go, Crad Dream off-road. Or not. We'll finish it off on the pavement. Ah. Oh. Speed bump. Put it down, please. Battery cover came off. Oh, the light bar's gone. Woo. Why aren't you going anymore? These people over here parked in the good spot to jump. Ow. That's where that goes, right there. Can I get it out? Nope. Oh, the camera's still on it. That's good. And the thorns. That was cool. Dance! Dance, Rodriguez, dance! That was cool. What remains?
I figured that the red one was gonna last longer.
No, you figured wrong.
I think it lasted what, all of 20 seconds.
That was actually kind of disappointing. Whoops. Apparently I'm DUI here. Mine's looking a little low on one side there. Yours is making some interesting noises. Brakes, brakes, brakes. Flip over. How are you? Let's go of the shrubbery. Ooh, almost. Oh. You didn't signal before brake. I think you're mushed. I think you've gotten a little lower. What happened? I think it's broken. I think it's a good thing we didn't put the new shocks on it yet. Shrubbery! Out of the shrubbery! I think my battery's almost dead. Good thing you let your kid drive it. And yours is... Oh, wow, it made it out. I think you're about to crash into a building. Don't pop the big bubble. All right, we need to collect all the pieces of the cars. The light bar's over here somewhere. Yeah, they died at the same time. We have a fake spare tire. We have a lid. Where'd the seat go? There was a piece of a seat over here. Have you collected all of the parts? Because we don't want to litter. All right, so that's the end of the demolition derby, and as expected, the two little cars didn't fare so well. So, how was your driving experience today?
Horrible.
Horrible. She's a little upset that she didn't get to keep a car. But she can Frankenstein them together if she wants to.
Yeah, that's gonna be a month-long project to just try that.
You think?
Especially since
Well, it didn't help that you stepped on that one on purpose.
I did.
Yeah.
Since that's towards the pack, I can't use this body at all. I might be able to lift it. I might be able to take the tires off this one here.
I think we need to get some more and do it again.
Yeah, we do. What's the faster
She needs...
one?
Oh, you need a faster one?
Yes.
I was looking at them and they are sort of similar. So I don't know. But then they do take different batteries, and the batteries actually have different plugs on them. So I don't know. Alright, well that's going to be it for today. Spawner Rodriguez, hope you enjoyed the Demolition Derby and the playtime after. And thanks for watching. See you next time.
What'd you get?
I got a RC car. Don't know which one. Oh, it's just that. I don't want to put